Holding on to resentment is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Often, our inner home feels suffocating, not because of its walls, but because of the echoes of old wounds we refuse to let go. The Stoics taught us that anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Every time we refuse to forgive, we are actually building a prison within our own minds. We are letting the person who hurt us live rent-free in our heads, consuming our peace. Amor Fati, love your fate, including its scars. Forgiveness does not mean you agree with what they did. Forgiveness is acknowledging that the past cannot be changed, but the future does not have to be its victim. You are relinquishing your right to retaliate in exchange for your right to be at peace. Look at those wings. They were not designed to carry the weight of grudges. They were created to carry you beyond the storm. When you forgive, you do not change the other person, you change yourself. You are freeing your wings from the heavy load that has kept you from flying high. Forgiveness is the best gift you can give to your own soul. Be like the sky. It accepts the black clouds, but never lets itself become black forever. Forgive, let go, and fly again, because life is too short to be spent in the prison of the past.